Mama wakwaba wofre me adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusiafo ansa na no, let me say a very big thank you to Efua Asantoa for making an attempt say obreki a year Singaton record no. Yebeka say congratulations to her for making us proud, for making Ghana proud. 126 hours 52 minutes and yet easy journey, but God has been good. Yedana sepa so amana Ghana ende yenyaje. Na ebusiafo oman penny dada John Dramani Mahama ede ensembia atudwa. Enam so ena Ghana fu bebre na omo akoma adwen ede akyere no. Na ebusiafo ede ensem ena oman penny dada John Dramani Mahama ede atudwa enam so Ghana fu akoma adwen ede akyere no. Oman penny kyere se eye na no emofre yo mokotro eye exams mekere SHS fu mofro mokotro wasi. Oman penny dada John Dramani Mahama say 70% a omutimi etwae no omutwae 70% oman penny dada John Dramani Mahama say eyapo because teachers for no and I say education ministry no omo apo say na ebeya ebeti free SHS no enim for what reason just say yentiase sometimes no odu oman penny dada John Dramani Mahama no ho a ontiase menim say onimniye ena wa hyeda say politics nti on pese obeye ana say onim se ne oye no enye I mean adenti ena mode politics ena education ebeto chacha mode education eto chacha because of politics nti because of NDC for person mo ba power nti mu education hufi mo man atogana fo wontrim say free SHS no kra enye nti mo Ghana fo nto aba ma NDC fo no mo mbra no metwa free SHS ni wana sese na oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama onsem a wukin niti na no wehemfa because ye na ye course school ye yanko free SHS a ye tua school fees no ebi e passe more than the free SHS free promo aye no and ebi mo so faili more than the free SHS form we failing so ebi e faili no enti sa wo ka say teachers na mo apose na be ya e be favor free SHS na one penny that John Dramani Mahama then excuse us yan person e be can send be atia because we be Ghana ye man penny da o ye statesman so sometimes mo for politics ento nchen ne asem ehia no e ma ye mfe ndi agro mo pese mo ya na Ghana photo aba mo a there are so many ways mo betimi ayana Ghana for ato aba ede amamo na de mu ye de ehu so say free SHS na aba nti mo fa no kwotre exams no omo apose na ebe ya ombetwa na ati free SHS na nim na ye na ekọ school na ye tu school fees na bi mu ntwae no na oman pende da John Dramani Mahama say ye wo e na wo ye free SHS na mo fa no twae a nti nka obe ma search comments afa ho ana I mean oman pende da John Dramani Mahama enyeme bi wo ho Ghana for ma ye mfendi agosa politics no politicians no mu jimi ye yo omo jimi ye nti ama no ye ni anda ho a jimi na no bekoso jimi ye enye sa ka eba ne sen e na free SHS mu de politics and as education mu de politics mu ye ntu nchen kra na mu ye mu politics mu kan sem fofo ensem bebre wo ha betimi aka ye beto aba de amamo na mu jai education na ndwen no ma penda da John Dramani Mahama yentie the prior Ghana food so e de amano
Mahama want to tell us say ebra obedi president no pesa akoda bon humode o era de Ghana de mobu akoda bon humode sua de Ghana de sua ya yi esua akotro exams ya pass papa bi say politics nti obana bon obana anya de say teacher ni bi aye notes find ways you dey be kire ne ma de na nkoda ye twa na ye extra classes na ye one weekend classes na ade said de be ya nkoda yi be ye den nkoda yi betwa na ye sa niema wei ama nkoda na atwa na nkoda ne daache asiom yie na obi be ka kire o say obre as teacher wo de call wadwuma mu say wo student ne be pass no and then Mahama said there be uni marking uni ma de kire nti eni kwan say nkoda na pass nkoda no fail idi aka mo ya ade and Kodana failing it, the among yadi, Mahama. Does this make sense? Say yen Kodana, ye trauma, dear Nikutumiko try, yet upon a maum. Ghana ni akwada de onimi nyansa so betumi asua de na momo a mawie free education won samo koto ungrateful ababia de ma NDC samo to ungrateful mo especially mo amanya free education akono samo de monsa kusi NDC so to abama NDC a mo wi ase mawie ya no okay, people who are ungrateful don't get anywhere. We SHS Nina who be a we, then there was from SHS graduate here. Never go vote for NDC because God will punish you for making that decision. A party that want to cancel what helped you to become a graduate. Mahama be trem no and you are going to vote for Mahama. God will punish you. Mahama is telling you people that you people are weak in the mind. Mabon. Free education for na motor exams no. Mahama say mabon. Ye the upon a man when I moon to mentro. Moon ni munyansa. Madwene mu men sa mo teacher for na abodam for teacher for ni nimade. According to Mahama, na teacher for go Ghana abon some person be lines say exams. Onye bodam for. Mahama AGD say a teacher for wo Ghana ntumi nkyere ye mana de emomu nya 8 A's ne 6 A's ne ade. It is akodanya 6 A's ana ye krono na wabo. Teacher ni ne akoda na bomu abo krono. And you people are sitting down and watching this man. Let's listen to him. Square pegs in round holes and it's not fitting. And you intentionally block it and say, "Oh, name say Jimino. That is John Dramani Mahama. Or can kwasi asem. John Mahama can nyansa sabe kafa nyansa enim na dwene nya adwuma. Apetition na one no say apetition no madu baby e say wadwene. That is what is happening to John Mahama. Or bodamba. John Mahama no or bodamba and kakra wan hwe ya wan do oba run ho gina stage no run ho or bodamba. His brain is not working. Listen. That apomuden me. Like I said, I was trying to prepare myself, but I can't. Yeah? Healthcare, apomuden, is the most important thing to any country, unless you belong to NDC. And a healthcare in the papa. But look at the thing John Mahama fights against. He was in parliament when NDC MPs walked out of national health insurance. Not of the parliament. Parliamentarians, no come home. Utie, me free maternal care. Yedija woman wo gu no cause on tisania manase enye no in the forte. Very stupid man is he. Ono unfair be ma. That will be the bar or best say no. That's a stupid man. Onye nyame. Nyame kwesi apia we penny na we mbu ho a. Don't expect me say mebu. Utie. We penny na with the every chance be a